Alright guys, welcome back. So today we just watched like car on car, and tired, hungry, haven't eaten. Anyways, we are right now going to get Popeyes because you know I am obsessed with Popeyes. I eat Popeyes probably way too much actually. But anyways, right now we're gonna eat lunch, and then we're probably gonna clean a little bit inside the 350 today. And then I got some good and bad news for you guys. I'm just gonna go over the bad news. Bad news: the bushings for the lower control arms are donezo. Like they're not even really there. So. Anyways, the bushings for both sides, the lower control arms, they are gone. Like, bye-bye birdie kind of gone. Like, they are no longer, like, functional. There. Kaput, you know? They're gone. Anyways, that ruins the whole, there's a family over there, they're bikers, like biking. And one of the girls was like, I can't, and she just like fell over, and I was like, oh, that looks like it hurt, but it was like. Anyways, we're gonna see what kind of prices we can get on those. I have one price because I need new front tires because of it. Tires, heat tires. I need new front tires. I need. Come on, car, push. Forward. What are you doing? What are you doing? Person. Human. This person's like stupid as hell. Okay. Bye. Anyways. We're gonna try to get different prices on them because honestly, I'm at a low because I'm not working right now. If I was working, I wouldn't be able to film right now. But anyways, bushings, press them, tires, alignment. The place I went to gave me an estimate of $1,070, and I'm like, what? Huh? And I swear, my car is not really worth that even. I'm kidding, but like, still. On the other hand, someone did offer me the money, $5,000 for this car, and it could be their problem. Or I could just keep the problem till I solve it, fix it, and then be happy with myself. I don't know. Honestly, I'm having like mixed emotions about this. It's very confusing. It's very difficult for me right now. I just honked at the lady in front of me because she wasn't moving anywhere, and I was like, I feel really bad now. I feel like I should buy her a cookie. Yeah, that's maybe what I'll do. Or if they have cookies. If they don't have cookies, I don't know what to do. Because now I feel really bad. My energy bolts coming out. This one's coming out, but these ones are. That one's coming out too. Yank on the steering wheel. So, no, just kidding. I didn't yank on it. I just didn't tighten these two, I guess. Energy. Get your energy products from me. DM me through Instagram. In the description down below. That's my. I'll leave my Instagram. Why must you be so expensive? Hey guys. All right. It's Sunday, the next morning, and we are getting ready for a little car show. You know, you got the interior somewhat ready. I know, I'm an automatic. I take pride in my automatic light. It'll soon be manual. Anyways, RTM Motorworks, we have all the sponsor stickers. Everything is set. I wish I washed the wheels though. So, it's whatever. I wish I got the new bumper before I came here, but you know, that's whatever too. I came early so I can get a nice shady spot. Okay. There's like that shady spot, sort of that one over there, but I got the most shady spot, which I'm happy with because I love my shade. I don't like their own shade, but you know I love my shade regardless. We got the sponsorship water bottle, obviously. Always bring that with me, full or not. I know it sounds stupid, but we got the energy sitting in the front right here. But yeah, I don't know. I saw someone washing their car over there. There's the Challenger over there. I don't know if they're coming or not. Club90 should be here somewhat soonish. So we shall see. Of course, there's helicopters flying around because it's Sunday. And I already went up Angela's Crest today, so that was a bonus. I don't know if you guys can hear that dog, but it don't sound right. Just saying. But anyways, went to Crest today. Washed my car though. It looks better. Looks better. Ah, no! Doesn't look better already. That's probably all the Crest. I went up and down twice. Anyways, I broke my belt again. I replaced it. This is the third time I've broken a belt. Oh well, right? I mean, not the worst thing that's happened to me. Came out here for my AirPods. Decided to film a little. But today's been kind of eventful. I'm running without a AC belt because who needs AC in LA, right? Ow. Also, the new fit though. I have new white Vans, but I'm not wearing them right now. But I got these new pants and I'm loving them. Got some shit on it though. Got the Logic shirt, got the necklace, you know. But I need to repolish my headlights again. Every time I wash it, I swear. Saw a couple of friends, hung out with Daniel a lot, drove around. Just kind of like talking and all that. Wish I filmed that, but it's okay, it's whatever. Big shout out to our sponsors, all of them. I know I don't have a MagnaFlow. I have a sticker because the shop I go to, they work with MagnaFlow a lot. So if you guys need any exhaust work, go see Omar, give the shop a call, go make your appointment and all that. Also, these guys do awesome alignments. Tell them that Daniel sent you from and Slow or Slow Garage, whatever works. Also, I don't think I've shown you guys. My bumper is now broken. Also, I got a new haircut, it's fade though. But my bumper's broken. So it's breaking off here. I have a little bit of a indentation on the fender where it like kind of like pushes in. So I need to fix that. But it's whatever, honestly. I mean, you can't really tell unless you really look into it. But the bumper, I'm hopefully getting the Nismo bumper soon. But honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, this week's been kind of difficult for me. And I'm trying to limit my driving. But also a lot of other things that are happening at the same time. Which, it's whatever. Ow. You just stepped on a tiny rock. And I'm barefoot right too. But tomorrow, I don't know. I might make a really chill day tomorrow, kind of work on my car, wash it up a little bit more. I have no clue what I have planned for tomorrow, but I don't know. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
And we say bye-bye.